All right, we are at the end of this assembly just about. So I'm going to go ahead and install these pins and the trigger assembly here. Trigger assembly will go in here and we'll put our 2 pins in. Then we'll function check this entire firearm. We went ahead and installed the bolt and everything is already in here, as you can see. So we will go from here. Let's get everything lined up where your pins go, and then we're going to drift these pins in. I may have to do this off camera just because the camera is in the way. Have our 2 pins here. Have one that'll go here, one that'll go here. So give me just a second, guys. Let me move this camera around or see if I can relocate it where I can show you guys. But you guys ought to know how to drift the pin back in. All right, now that we got our trigger assembly lined up, guys, we're just going to go ahead and drift these pins in. There we go. All right, we are in with the trigger assembly now. We'll go ahead and finish the rest of the assembly of this. At this point, we're going to go ahead and put the buttstock on it, and we'll put the barrel on it. And then we're going to be done with this project. Everything's going to be reassembled. Already did cycle everything. Everything cycles just fine. The trigger is working just fine. We need to wipe some of the oil off of it, and we'll be back to almost like new.